So, good evening, everyone. Let's continue the Cbse class 10, chapter number 8. So, that is Introduction to Trigonometry. Introduction to Trigonometry. So, that is Introduction to Trigonometry. Trigonometry. So, what is meant by trigonometry? Trigonometry is a branch of mathematics which deals with the relations between the angles, or you can write it as trigonometry is a branch of mathematics which deals with trigonometry is a branch of mathematics which deals with angles, length and angles of a right angle triangle. Trigonometry is a branch of that deals with the angles and sides of a right angled triangle. So right angled triangle. The second one is we are going to write two types. So trigonometry, we are having trigonometric functions and trigonometric ratios. So what is the difference between the trigonometric functions and trigonometric ratios? Now we are going to write what is trigonometric function. Trigonometric functions which relates the right angle with the ratios, that is called as trigonometric functions. Trigonometric ratios are the ratios of a edges of right angled triangle. So trigonometric functions which relates the right angle with the ratios. Trigonometric ratios are the ratios of the edges of a right angle triangle. So we are not going to continue any kind of the definitions called as angles. We know angle is nothing but when two lines intersect at a point forms an angle. So when the two lines are intersecting at the point which forms an angle, we are generally indicating the angle as theta. Yes. Now we are going for the right angle triangle. Yes. So we all know a right angled triangle. So we have to know about the right angle triangle. So what is right angle triangle? We know right angle triangle, everyone. So if you know anyone, please do comment in the comment box right angle triangle. So if anyone knows, so how to write the formula, so I will explain everything in this one. So please be step me, it might take some time. So what is meant by right angle triangle? Now see, right angle triangle is a triangle, is a type of a triangle that one of its angle is equal to 90 degrees. For example, as two lines perpendicular. So we'll show this is the form of the short form of parallel, and this is the short form of perpendicular. So please keep in the mind clearly that. So how to write the parallel and perpendicular symbols? Yes, now we are going to draw the right angle triangle. So this is the right angle triangle. Roughly I am drawing a right angle triangle. I am taking the angle here. Now see, if you take angle A, B and C, so this is the perpendicular line we are getting. So the slant line and the base line forms an angle theta. When it opposite to this angle, angle A becomes 90 minus theta. So 90 minus theta we are going to get. So here this side is called as opposite side, and this one is called as adjacent side, and this one is called as hypotenuse side. So adjacent side, opposite side, so three sides we wrote. According to using this one, we are going to write all the values. So what are the values we are going to write, that I am going to show you. First I am going to write, see clearly I am writing here, AB is called opposite side, BC is called adjacent side, and AC is called hypotenuse. So by using this right angle triangle, we are going to write all the values. How we are going to write the values, and I am going to explain you clearly. Please watch the complete video. So if you like the videos, do subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so that you can able to get all the videos clearly. Yes. So by using the right angle triangle, we are going to write all the values which are given in this one. Sir, how to write formulas? I am going to show how to write the formulas also compulsory. Harinandan, you have asked how to write formulas also. That one also I am going to explain clearly. No need to worry about it. So just keep an eye on this one. That's it, so that you are going to get all the values. Now by using the right angle triangle, what we wrote, so we got the value, that is so we got the values. What are the values we have got? Hypotenuse square is equals to opposite square. Opposite square plus adjacent square. So what is the hypotenuse value? AC whole square is equal to AB whole square plus BC whole square. So this right angle triangle now we are going to use in the trigonometric ratios, this angle theta. So we are forming A, B and C. So this is the angle 90 degrees. So this one we are getting 90 minus theta. By using the, now we are going to use the trigonometric ratios. First one is the, what are the trigonometric functions? First, before going to write the trigonometric ratios, we are going to write the trigonometric functions. So once I'm going to go, once I'm going back to the page, so here I'm going to write all the values of the trigonometric functions. See carefully, this is sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant and cosecant. Here place is not sufficient, that's why I'm writing. So this one trigonometric we are writing as sine theta, cos theta, tan theta, cot theta, cosecant theta as well as secant theta. So going back to our class, so please keep an eye on these problems. No sir, I am Aditya. Okay Aditya, so please stay with me. I'll show you how to write the formulas also, no need to worry about it, and I'll explain all the formulas also. First we are writing sine theta. Sine theta value is opposite by hypotenuse, which is equal to, this is called as opposite side, this is the hypotenuse and this one is the adjacent side. So we are writing AB by AC. Beside here only I am writing its reciprocal, that is cosecant theta equals to hypotenuse by opposite, that is AC by AB. Sin theta opposite is cosecant theta, cos theta opposite is secant theta, tan theta opposite is cot theta. Yes. Now see the continuation of sin theta. After that we are going to write down cos theta. Cos theta equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. This is the adjacent and this is the hypotenuse, that is BC by AC. Cos theta exactly reciprocal is secant theta, that is hypotenuse by adjacent, that is AC by BC. Now the very important is how to write the tan theta. This is very important. Tan theta is equal to, generally tan theta can be written as sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta means opposite by hypotenuse by adjacent by hypotenuse. Now adjacent by hypotenuse in the denominator, take this way than the numerator. So it becomes opposite by hypotenuse into hypotenuse by adjacent. Both cancelled. We are getting opposite by adjacent. So tan theta is equals to, opposite is AB, adjacent is BC. Tan theta opposite is cot theta. Cot theta means adjacent by opposite, that is BC by AB. I think up to here everything is clear. Yes. So I think everyone is clear up to right over here. So if you are unable to see the video, please inform me clearly that you cannot see the video, you cannot observe the video. Next, I think we wrote here everything done. Now here only I am going to write the reciprocals. Now here only I am going to write the reciprocal of sin theta. Reciprocal is 1 by cosec theta. Cosec theta reciprocal is 1 by sin theta. Second one is secant theta reciprocal is 1 by cos theta. Cos theta reciprocal is 1 by secant theta. Tan theta reciprocal is 1 by cot theta. Cot theta reciprocal is 1 by tan theta. So next we are going to write the three identities. So trigonometric identities, which are very important. I'll explain detailedly how to convert these identities also clearly. Now see, the first identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Second one, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Last and final is cosecant square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. So these are the three trigonometric identities which we have to keep on our mind compulsory. Now I'll expand these three identities also one by one. Lastly, we are going to write the trigonometric table. Now first one I am writing here, sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So in place of theta we can write a, b, c, any value. Now see, take this cos square theta to right hand side. Sin square theta is equal to 1 minus cos square theta. When square goes to right hand side, it becomes root 1 minus cos square theta. Same for cos theta also, you can write reciprocal and you can write 1 minus sin square theta. This is the first one. The second one is secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Minus tan square theta, take to right hand side. Secant square theta is equal to 1 plus tan square theta. When square goes to right hand side, becomes secant theta is equal to under root of 1 plus tan square theta. Yeah, wait Aditya, I will show. Let me complete this one. Now see, in terms of tan theta, how you will write? Again same, take it, secant square theta minus tan square theta is equal to 1. Just interchange these two values. Secant square theta minus 1 is equal to tan square theta. When square goes, now write down in the proper way. Tan square theta is equal to secant square theta minus 1. When square goes right hand side, tan theta is equal to under root of secant square theta minus 1. After completion of this third identity, I will show once again. Third one is cosec square theta minus cot square theta is equal to 1. When square goes right hand side, becomes root. So cosec square theta equals to 1 plus cot square theta. When square goes right hand side, become root. Cosecant theta is equal to under root of 1 plus cot square theta. Now again, in terms of cot theta, how we are going to write? Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equals to 1. Interchange these two values. So cosec square theta minus 1 is equal to cot square theta. If you write in the order, cot square theta is equal to cosecant square theta minus 1. When square goes right hand side, becomes root. Cot theta is equal to under root of cosecant square theta minus 1. So these are the expansions of the three identities. I will hold it for 1 minute. Please write it down. So Aditya, you are asking. Aditya, so you want to write all the three identities? Yes, please write on all the three identities. And those who want to write everything also, I'm keeping here. Just go through for it clearly and write down neatly. I'll wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Please write down. I'll wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Please write down. Okay, 5 minutes. Okay, fine. Yes, Aditya. Once the identity is done, please do comment so that I can turn the next page. Aditya, just connect to your friends also, just inform them. Those who are still in the live session, tell them to just make a call and inform that we have started our live class. Okay, right. Now see, yes, please write on these identities, how to change also. Yes, so the most important thing is the trigonometric table, which is very important. Now we are going to draw the trigonometric table, and I'll show all silver teacups and formula is there, that is also important. Now we are going to write the trigonometric table. Yes, try to write along with me, those who are in online. So we are going to write the trigonometric table. So if they ask about to draw the trigonometric table, just draw the trigonometric table. If they will ask to write the trigonometric identities, write on all these three identities. If they will ask about the trigonometric ratios, draw this right angle triangle. Listen carefully. If they will ask trigonometric ratios, draw this right angle triangle and write all these 6 values. Yes. If they will ask reciprocal, write on this reciprocal. If they ask only trigonometric identities, write all these trigonometric identities. If they will ask about trigonometric identities, only 3 outright, no need of expansion of this one. Trigonometric tables. So if the angle theta is 30 degrees, 0 degrees, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. If the angle theta, so first we are writing sine, cos, tan, So cosecant, secant and cot theta. So these are the 6, very simple. So if you know the values, if I want to take to identify this one, take your 5 fingers, just in the 5 fingers just count the numbers from 0. Take your left palm, left hand, just count the numbers as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So I am taking all these 5 fingers. You can take in left hand only, better you can able to understand it easily. 0, 30 degrees, 45 degrees, 60 degrees and 90 degrees. How many are there? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is the highest. So if I want, you can write with this one. Sin 0 value is 0. So cos 0 value is 1 by 2. So cos 45 degrees 1 by root 2. So this value is root 3 by 2 and 90 degrees value is 1. So how to do this one? This one I'll explain now once in a rough page. How to write it clearly. See. So I'm going to show you roughly on a page. I will show you. Okay. Now listen here. Yeah, here it is fine. So if I am going to take 5 values, that is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 5 values. Now I am dividing all these values with 4. What it become? 0 by 4, 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4, 4 by 4. Now after this, now I am making roots for all this value. I am cancelling 1 by 2. So this one 4 1. Now we are making roots of this value. 0 by 4 value is 0, 1 by root 4, 1 by root 2, under root of 3 by 4. This is root 1. Root 1 value is 1. Now see, 0, root 4 value is 1 by 2. This one 1 by root 2. This one can be written as root 3 by 2 and 1. Like this we are going to get all the 5 values. I think you are clear. I think now you got a clarity about this one. First we are getting 0, 0 to 5 fingers, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we are dividing. Why we are dividing? Because so we are getting the last number with 4. That's why we are dividing by 4. So cancel 2 ones are 2 twos are. Then keep roots for all the numbers. So 1 by root 4 value is 2, root 2 will be as it is, root 3 value is 2, root 4 value is 2 and remaining 1. Now get back to our class. Now see, now very simple, write down opposite of this one, you will get the trigonometric table of cos theta. That's it. If you write a reciprocal, if you write reverse order of sine is cos. Keep in mind, reverse order of sine is cos. So cos 0 value is 1. This one cos 30 value is root 3 by 2. 45 degrees value 1 by root 2. 1 by 2 and 0. Now how to get a tan? Just now we said that what is the tan value? Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. If you divide the values, 0 by 1 value is 0, 1 by 2 in 1 by root 2. See, both the denominators will be get cancelled. You will get 1 by root 3. 1 by root 2, 1 by root 2 will be get cancelled. You will get answer 1. Root 3 by 2, 1 by 2, 2 will be get cancelled. Why both are in the denominator. Root 3 by 1 value becomes root 3. So 1 by 0 value is undefined. 1 by 0 value is undefined. Now we are going to write the values. So which are the values you are going to write? Now we are going to write the secant theta value. So how we are going to get the secant theta value? Secant, cosecant. So write the reciprocals of this one. Very simple. Before writing tan, I am going to write last one cot. See, if you see the value tan is this one. This one write on reverse order. You will get cot infinity, root 3, 1, 1 by root 3 and 0. So this is about the cot values. Now when it comes to cosecant, see carefully. Sine, write on opposite, reverse, reciprocal. 1 by 0 value is infinity, that is undefined. You can write undefined. Now write down reciprocal, you'll get 2 reciprocal root 2, write down reciprocal of sine 2 by root 3 reciprocal of 1. This one reverse order, see cosecant reverse order, if you will write you will get secant 1 2 by root 3 root 2 2 and undefined. You can write u and d, undefined. So I will keep it for 1 minute. Please note down this table clearly. Sine 0 value 0, 1 by 2, 1 by root 2, root 3 by 2, 1. Write down reverse of this one, you will get 1 root 3 by 2, 1 by root 2, 1 by 2, 0. This is cos. Tan, sine by cos is tan. Tan reverse if you will write, you will get cot. Sine reciprocal is cosecant. Cosecant reverse is secant. So if you want, I will write somewhere clearly. Very simple. See, you have to before understanding this one, as I said, you have to take the value 0 means 0 1 2 3 4. We are having totally 5 degrees, 0 degree, 30, 45, 60 and 90 degrees. For this we are taking the value 0 1 2 3 4. We are dividing by 4. We are going to get the value sine 0 value 0, sine 30 degrees 1 by 2, sine 45 degrees 1 by root 2, sine 60 degrees root 3 by 2, sine 90 degrees value is 1. Write down reverse. Reverse of sine is cos. What is tan? Sine by cos is tan. Sine by cos is tan. Tan reverse is cot. Tan reverse is cot. Sine reciprocal. Sine reciprocal is cosecant. Sine reciprocal is cosecant. Cosecant reverse is secant. Cosecant reverse is secant. So everyone has done. I think everyone has written clearly. So that I will go for the next page. Now we are going to solve the problems which are given in the textbook. Some of the textbooks problems I will explain. Some other problems also which I have included, I will explain that one also. So which are the problems are there, that all the problems I am going to explain clearly. Now see carefully. Yes. Is it done? Write in papers. Which one I have to write the paper? You are asking to write on a paper. What I have to write on a paper? Please explain me clearly. How much the question is given, that much only you have to write. No need to extend any question. If I'll explain one question so that you can able to understand. Sir, whenever the right angle triangle get changes, I will explain that one also clearly. When it will get shifted. Now whichever the problems are I am explaining, please keep concentration on it. Yes, I think it is done. That's it. Yes. So now please concentrate on the problems which are very important for each and everyone. All the methods I am going to explain which are mandatory and compulsory. Now here comes the question number 1. Now see before doing this one, some of the numbers are called as Pythagorean triplets in the right angle triangle. Generally right angle triangle we use for Pythagorean triplets. These are the numbers you have to keep in your mind compulsory. Khanit, hi Khanit. Sine reciprocal is 1 by cosecant. Yeah, I'll show you 1 second. Here I wrote all the reciprocals. Yeah, it's here only. You can see all the reciprocals right on here. I wrote all the reciprocals also. Sine reciprocal 1 by cosecant, cosecant reciprocal 1 by sine, secant reciprocal 1 by cos, cos reciprocal 1 by secant. Yeah. Now please concentrate on the problems. Definitions values afterwards also. Now here, which are very important, I am going to write the Pythagorean triplets. Pythagorean triplets which are useful in the right angle triangle. Some numbers we have to keep in the mind compulsory. Blindly we have to keep in our mind. So in the Pythagorean, a square plus b square is equal to c square. This is the Pythagorean. That means a is the opposite, b is the adjacent, c is the hypotenuse. So this one we have. So which are called as Pythagorean triplets. Now see, 6, 8, 10. However, you will get to the sides. These three together is called as Pythagorean triplet. However, you may get opposite side 8, adjacent side 6, hypotenuse you will get 10. So compulsory this one. And the second one is 5, 12, 13. This is called as a Pythagorean triplet. Pythagorean triplet. 10, 24, you will get 26. This is also a Pythagorean triplet. This is also a Pythagorean triplet. Still, yes. 7, 9, 12, 9 square 81. Yes, 9, 12 and 15. These are some of the Pythagorean triplets. This one you have to keep in the mind clearly. Yes, and last one 7, 24 and 25. Please write down clearly. However, you will get these sides. Yes, I will explain 8.3 problems also. Some of the problems also I will explain definitely. No need to worry about it. Now we are going to stepping into the exercise problems. You will learn the exercise problems also. I will explain some different problems also. Please keep concentration right over here. First, now see in the right angle triangle. In the right angle triangle, AB value is given as 24 and BC value is given. We have to find out the AC value. Very simple. Opposite is given, adjacent is given. We have to find out the hypotenuse. That's it. Now as we know, right angle triangle, what is that? Hypotenuse square equals to opposite square plus adjacent whole square. So AC whole square is equal to 24 centimeter whole square plus 7 centimeter whole square. 24 is a 576 centimeter square plus 49 centimeter square. If you add these two, you will get 625 centimeter square. That is AC whole square. When square goes to right hand side becomes root. AC is equals to under root of 625 centimeter square. Is final answer is 25 centimeters. Now in the question is asking sin A into cos A value is how much? This is 25 centimeters. Very simple. Sin A value is opposite by hypotenuse, that is 24 by 25. Cos A adjacent by hypotenuse 7 by 25. So I asked in the question, sin A into cos A, 24 by 25 into 7 by 25. So if you multiply 24 into 7, 7 for the 28, 2 carries, 7 to the 14, 168 by 2, 625. This is the final answer we are going. So this is how to do the problems. He is given AB value is given. AB value 24, BC value is 7. Sometimes they will give directly sine value or cos value they will give, so that we have to find out the values clearly. Sir, if the same problem, if the side will changes, what we can get? See, if the angle is at C, see this is B and this is A, so we have to find out the angle at C. This become the AB value here 24 and here BC value is given 7. We have to find out the AC value, that is opposite side you have to find out. Yes, so how you are going to find out? Now see, sin C is equal to opposite by hypotenuse. We know hypotenuse value 24, we don't know opposite value. We have to use the Pythagorean triplet formula, that is AC whole square plus BC whole square is equal to AB whole square. Yes, there is no value of AC. Why? Because we have to find out the AC value. Why? Because AC is the hypotenuse, that we have to find it out. That is most important. Now see, we are finding AC value. AC whole square equals to AB whole square minus BC whole square. AB value is 24 whole square minus 7 square. This one I am writing here, there is no plus. 576 minus 49. So 16 minus 9 is 5. 6 minus 4 is 2. So getting 525. So we are getting the value 525. So AC value becomes root 525. So square root of 525 we are going to get the value. Yes. Cos. Sorry, no need to do all these things. Cos C means we have to hypotenuse will become AC. Okay, according to with respect, no need to do all these things. So this could ask directly cos C. Okay, no need to do these things. Okay, I am doing here only. Cos C, cos means adjacent by hypotenuse, 7 by 25. So no need to do all these things. Sorry, this one is compulsory. Okay, next, sin C, opposite by hypotenuse, opposite by hypotenuse, that is 24 by 25. That's it. This is about the problem. If they will ask about the multiplication, we have to do multiplication. Again, finally we are going to get the same answer. There is no change. Now we go for the very important question, that is question number 1. So second question which I am going to explain, please look after it, compulsory. I am going to explain 8.3 also compulsory. I will explain, no need to worry about it. So before going to that, do that problem. Yes. Now see, like this kind of problems you may get. So maybe it takes 1 hour. I don't know when I'm going to end it. At least I want to explain 20 to 25 problems. So if you want, you can see this video now, or you can take a sleep and you can check in the morning session also. It is up to you. Okay, now see, if sin a value is given 3/4, we have to find out cos a and tan a. In place of a, we can get thetas or any else, sin a, cos a. So first we are going to take sin a value. Sin a value is what? 3/4. Sin a, what is the definition? Trigonometric ratios is opposite by hypotenuse. So draw the trigonometric table very neatly. This is the opposite side, this is adjacent side, and this one is the hypotenuse side. We are getting opposite 3 and hypotenuse 4. We have to find out the value of adjacent. So what is the value of adjacent? We have to find out. Yes, we have to find out the value of adjacent. Yes, so we know that hypotenuse square equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. Now we have to find out adjacent, that's why we are sending opposite to left hand side. Hypotenuse square minus opposite square equals to adjacent square. We know hypotenuse square, what is it? 4 whole square minus 3 whole square is equal to adjacent square. 4 square value is 16, 3 square value is 9 is equal to adjacent square. Write down in the order. Adjacent square is equal to 7. When square goes right hand side, adjacent value becomes root 7. Now see, we got adjacent value, we can do directly cos and tan. What is the cos a value? Adjacent by hypotenuse, that is root 7/4. We know tan theta. Tan a means sin a by cos a. What is sin value? 3/4. What is cos value? Root 7/4. Denominators will be get cancelled. Why? Because if you write the denominators, you'll get reciprocals. Finally answer is 3/7. So like this we can have different kinds of problems also. Yes, now I'll explain one more problem. Please keep in your mind, so which is important. Now see, if you know, you do the problem. Otherwise, please do concept. Cos theta value is root 2/3. Then find sin theta comma tan theta. Okay, see, before doing that one, first one write cos theta is equal to, इधर root 2 ఉంది, इधर 3 ఉంది, ये 2 है, ये root 2 है, ये 3 है. इसका ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोस क्या है? Adjacent by hypotenuse. Here also, where if whenever you are going to do this problem, you have to draw these trigonometry, what you call right angle triangle compulsory. Right opposite, right adjacent, and right hypotenuse. Cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. This is root 2, this is 3. Again use the same formula, hypotenuse square equals to, here I am going to write hypotenuse square equals to opposite square plus adjacent square. We have to find out the value of opposite. Bring this to left hand side. Hypotenuse square minus adjacent square equals to opposite square. Now opposite square equals to, what is the hypotenuse square? Writing in the order, minus adjacent square. Hypotenuse value is 3 whole square, adjacent is root 2 whole square. Here square root will be get cancelled. 3 square value is 9. 9 minus 2. Opposite square is 7. Next, opposite square goes right hand side, becomes root 7. Very simple. Easy method to do the problem. So check and see, when we will get hypotenuse, adjacent and opposite side, that will depend upon the trigonometric ratio, whether he is giving cos or whether he is giving sine. That is the most important, whether he is giving sine value or cos value. According to that one only, see, drawing the right angle triangle, finding the side is compulsory. It is mandatory, must and should we have to do, otherwise you are not going to get the other value. Whether the question is giving us cos theta or sine theta, that is the most important. Now hypotenuse square equals to opposite plus adjacent. Here adjacent and hypotenuse is given, we are writing y. Y in the question is given as cos theta. Trigonometric ratio cos theta means adjacent by hypotenuse. Now I am going to do the sine theta. Sine theta is opposite by hypotenuse, that is root 7 by 3. Directly we can write by because we got the root value. Next tan theta, this is very easy. Tan theta means sin theta by cos theta. That means what is sin value? Root 7 by 3 by root 2 by 3. Root 7 by 3, denominator write down reciprocal, 3 by root 2. So tan theta value root 7 by root 2. Like this we are going to get the value of sin theta. So like this only we have to find out all the values which are given in the question of exercise 8.1. Very easy, just finding the values. Opposite to sin square theta. What is opposite? There is no reciprocal is there. Sin theta reciprocal is 1 by cosecant. Sin square theta we are having the identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. Now see, I'm going to explain one more problem. In this one, all the problems are very easy. You can do the problems directly by finding the values. And last one more problem I will explain regarding to this one. Then we are going to go for exercise 8.2. As I said, the first exercise will be depending upon the what is the ratio we are going to write. Okay, what is the, please write on the next question along with me only. Yes, now see, I am writing the very important. If cot theta value is 7 by 8, cot theta value is, question is given 7 by 8, we have to find out 1 plus sin theta, 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus cos theta value is how much? Very simple. Sir, I took hypotenuse square equals to perpendicular square plus base square. Correct one. Yes, hypotenuse square equals to base square plus perpendicular line square. Correct. Now see, please look here. Please concentrate on this problem. See, we know already cot theta. Cot theta means adjacent by opposite. This one we have to keep in the mind. All the 6 trigonometric ratios you have to by heart. So this is opposite side, this is adjacent side, this is hypotenuse side. Sir, how you are? By because tan reciprocal is cos, cot. Adjacent is 7, opposite is 8. We have to find out the hypotenuse. As usual, hypotenuse square equals to opposite square plus adjacent whole square. What is hypotenuse? We have to find out the hypotenuse value. Hypotenuse whole square is equal to opposite value is 8 whole square plus 7 whole square. 8 square value is 64, 49. So you are getting the value 103. That is hypotenuse square. When square goes right hand side, hypotenuse value become under root of 103. Now you got the hypotenuse value. So hypotenuse value we got, that is fixed, it is not going to change. Okay, now what did he ask? He is asking sin theta as well as cos theta value will get how much. So how much you are going to get sin theta and cos theta values? That is the most important, we have to find out now. Yes, I think right light you are getting in the proper light. Okay, now see, we have to find out the sine theta. What is sine theta? Sine theta ratio is opposite by hypotenuse. What is opposite value? Under root of 103 by, sorry, this is hypotenuse. So opposite value is what? 8 by under root of 103. Now cos theta value adjacent by hypotenuse. Adjacent value is how much? 7. Hypotenuse we got how much? Root 103. 7 by under root 103. Okay. Now what is given question? 1 minus sin theta into 1 plus cos theta. 1 minus what is sin theta? 8 by root 103. 1 plus 7 by root 103. See, here do cross multiplication, where because there is no denominator for both the ones. 103 into root 103 minus 8 by root 103 into root 103 plus 7 by root 103. Denominator 103 into 103 becomes 103 whole square. Numerator write down as it is, no need to do anything. If you want, you can do root 103 minus 8 into root 103 plus 7. How many root 103s are there? 2 are there. Root 103 whole square. In this one, square root will be get cancelled. The main important thing start from here. Now see, multiplying 103 for complete term and multiplying minus 8 with complete term. Root 103 into root 103 plus 7 into minus 8. See, 103 we are multiplying with root 103 plus 7, and minus 8 also we are multiplying with root 103 plus 7 by 103. 103 into 103 become root 103 whole square plus 103 into 7, 7 root 103 plus into minus 8 into 103, 8 103 plus into minus 8 7 56 by 103. I am explaining once again, listen here. Root 103 into root 103, both are 2. We are getting root 103 whole square plus 7 into root 103 value is 7 root 103 plus into minus 8 into 103, 8 103 plus into minus 8 7. See, this is minus 8, this is plus 7 here. Square root will be get cancelled. The remaining is 103. See, 103 minus 5, because 8 minus 7 is 1. That means root 103 will be remain. Clear. See, this is minus 8 103. This is plus 7 103. 8 minus 7 is 1. Minus 56 by 103. Now subtract 103 minus 56. So we are getting the answer 47. 47 minus root 103 by 103. So this is the final answer of this entire problem. Yes. So if you want to write, please write it down in a line clearly. See here, 103 into 103, 103 whole square plus 7 into 103, 703 plus into minus 8 into root 103, 8 103 plus into minus 8 7s are 56. Here see, square root will be get cancelled, remaining is 103. 8, see, this is minus 8 103, this is plus 7. Think 8 minus 7 we are getting 1. Extra we are having 103. So 103 minus 56 is 47. 47 minus root 103. Okay, now we'll go for the I think I have covered all the problems. You can find it out and you can substitute the values. Very simple. You can substitute the values, and last and final problem I'll explain. If you'll get same values, if tan A is 1 by root 3, tan A means opposite by adjacent. So this is the right angle triangle, this is the opposite side 1, this is adjacent side root 3, this is the hypotenuse we have to find out. What is the value? Hypotenuse square equals to opposite square plus adjacent whole square. That means 1 whole square plus root 3 whole square, square root will get cancelled. 1 square value 1, 1 plus 3 is 4. This is hypotenuse square. Then hypotenuse value become how much? Root 4 value becomes 2. So hypotenuse value is 2. Now in terms of this one, we have to find out sine and cos. Sine A is opposite by hypotenuse, that is 1 by 2. Cos A is adjacent by hypotenuse, that is root 3 by 2. Yes. Now last and final of this problem is from this exercise. Yes. So in terms of, if you are taking A, B, C like this, so you are going to get the value like this. How to find out sin C? If you turn this one, so we are going to get the value of sin C. If you turn this one, AC value becomes 1. So how to find out sin A? Sin A we are getting 1 by 2. The opposite you will get cos C. Cos C opposite is 1 by 2. If cos A you are getting root 3 by 2, then sin A we are getting sin C you are getting cos A. Cos A means sin C. Okay. Sin A cos C, cos A sin C. So if you want to add or subtract this problem, how we are going to do it, that is the most important. Yes. So the last exercise from this exercise, the last problem, so that we need to complete lot of problems are there pending. Yes. Sin A cos C plus cos A sin C. We know all the values. Sin A value is 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 plus root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. 1 into 1, 1. 2 to the 4. Root 3 into root 3, 3. 2 to the 4. Both the denominators 4. 1 plus 3 value becomes 4. 4 by 4 value becomes 1. That's it. Just a problem. If I am going to show like this last problem, it takes a lot of time. You can just rewind and you can see the video. You can go through all the videos. It's getting a lot of time late. Now we are going to substitute the values of trigonometric values. Now we are going to substitute and we are going to find out the problems. Now that is the most important. Now we are going to use the trigonometric table. Okay. Now see, I think this is also done. If you want, you can check it once again. I'll keep it for 10 more seconds. Yes. Now we are going to do the exercise 8.2, which is very important. Very important. Like this kind of problems you'll get different kinds of, they may ask any problem, keep star mark and do compulsory. In place of a b they may ask alpha beta or bc some any other values. For example, tan a plus b is root 3, tan a minus b is 1 by root 3. Tan a plus b, we have to find out the value of a and b. Like this you may get tan, or like this you may get a tan, or you may get cos, you may get secant, cosecant, any values you may get. So like this kind you are going to get the problem. First we are going to take tan a plus b. Tan a plus b equals to root 3. Now see here we are taking tan a minus b is equal to 1 by root. At a time both we are going to do. Here root 3 in tan, when we are going to get the value, tan when we are going to get the value 1 by root 3 is most important. Now see, tan a plus b is equal to tan 60 degrees. Why? Because tan 60 degrees value is root 3. Here tan a minus b is equal to tan 30 degrees. Why? Because tan 30 degrees value 1 by root 3. If you want you can go back, and please when you are doing the problems keep the trigonometric table separately. Write down on a paper, keep with you trigonometric. This is the trigonometric table. All the problems we are going to do, please make a count of it. Now see, both tan will be get cancelled, but we should not cancel. Both tan will be get cancelled, but we should not cancel. We are going to get the value a plus b is equal to 60 degrees. I am taking this one as equation 1. A minus b we are getting 30 degrees. This is equation number 2. So tan will be get cancelled, but we know elimination method. In pair of linear equation, two variables, we know here also we are going to do the same thing. Solving equation 1 and 2. Solving equation 1 and 2. What is that? A plus b is equal to 60 degrees. A minus b is equal to 30 degrees. Now see, b are having both opposite symbols. Both will be get cancelled. A plus a, 2a. 2a is equal to 90 degrees. A is equal to 90 degrees by 2. 2 ones are 245 degrees. So a value you are getting 45 degrees. Substitute a is equal to 45 degrees in equation 1. A plus b is equal to 60 degrees. 45 degrees plus b is equal to 60 degrees. 45 degrees take to right hand side. B is equal to 60 degrees minus 45 degrees. So b is equal to 15 degrees. Yes, b value you are getting 15. A value is how much? 45 degrees. B value is 15 degrees. Sir, out of all this, what is the main thing we have to remember is, see, whenever you are getting tan, sin, cos, any value, cot also, a plus b equals to see the value. This value will comes under the trigonometric table in tan how many degrees. Here also 1 by root 3 you will get in the tan which degrees. That one you have to keep in the mind clearly. Okay. Now I have did this problem. In the same method I am going to write 2 or 3 questions. Please try to do yourself. So I am keeping like this. I am going to write the questions. If the question number 1, sin a plus b value is 1 by root 2 and sin a minus b is root 3 by 2, find the value of a and b. Question number 2, if cos alpha plus beta is 1. Cos alpha, when we will get in cos 1, that is important. When we will get cos 1 by root 2, when we will get cos root 3 by 2, that is the most important thing. Please keep in your mind compass. Next, cos alpha minus beta is equals to 1 by 2. Find the value of alpha and beta. So I have covered all the three problems. Please note it down, these two questions, and try to do yourself in the same method how I did the tan value. But you have to see here sine trigonometric table. Here you have to see sine 45 degrees, you are getting 1 by root 2. Sine 60 degrees, here cos 90 degrees, cos 45 degrees. So according to this one, you substitute the values. So I'm keeping for 2 minutes. Please write down the question compulsory. Okay, please write it down. Yes, so this is about the original problem. Yes, now see, we are having some of the trigonometric formulas which previously most of the teachers might have explained, that is in terms of theta is equal to a, theta a or theta is equal to a. Some whatever we want to keep, we can keep either theta or a. You can, I'll use here according to our textbook, I'm going to use it as sin a only. See, what are the sin 2a formula is 2 sin a cos a. These are the trigonometric formulas which they have not given in the textbook, but we have to keep in the mind. Sin 2a is 2 sin a cos 2a, 2 sin square a minus 1 or 1 minus cos 2 cos square, sorry, 2 cos theta is cos 2 cos square or 1 minus 2 sin square a. The final is tan 2a. In place of a we can substitute theta also. Tan 2 is 2 tan a by 1 minus 1 plus tan square a or 1 minus tan square a by 1 plus tan square a. According using this one, and I am going to solve one or two problems. Just see it. Now see, if the question is like this, 2 tan 45 degrees by 1 plus tan square 45 degrees. Here very simple, we have to know what is the value of tan 45 degrees. Tan 45 degrees value is 1. As I said, keep the trigonometric table, write it on a paper, keep with you. 2 into 1 by 1 plus tan square theta means 1 square 1. 2 ones are 2 by 1 plus 1. So 2 by 2 we are going to get the value 1. Now see, second one. This one is on, or you can use the tan 2a formula also. Tan 2a means tan 2 into 45 degrees, that is tan 90 degrees value. Tan 90 degrees value, why? Because this is related to this formula only. You can see 2 tan a by 1 plus tan square a. In place of tan a we are having 45 degrees, that's it. Now see, according to this one, if I'll write one problem, 1 minus tan square 45 degrees by 1 plus tan square 45. Here also same, use directly tan 2a formula. Here also tan 2 into 45 degrees, here also tan 45 degrees, sorry, tan 90 degrees value become 1. There is no change, all the problems are in the same method. There is no need to worry about it. According to this one, we have done both the problems. Now we are going to do some of the problems which are related to the trigonometric table along with the angles. Now see the first question. See, first question is sin 60 degrees into cos 30 degrees plus cos 60 degrees into sin 30 degrees. We all know the values, directly we can substitute without any disturbances. Directly we can substitute all the values which are given in the question directly. Sin 60 degrees value is root 3 by 2, cos 60 degrees value root 3 by 2, cos 60 degrees value is 1 by 2, sin 30 degrees value is 1 by 2. If you have any doubts regarding to these values, you can go and check in the trigonometry table. Root 3 into root 3, 2 times root 3 whole square, 2 2s are 4, 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4, square root will be get cancelled, 3 by 4 plus 1 by 4, both the denominators are same, 3 plus 1 we are getting 4 by 4, we are going to get the answer 1. Now see, second question. Second one we can do directly. Now I'll explain a problem which are related to this one. Now see, very important. Now according to this one, I am explaining one more problem. See, sin 30 degrees into cos 60 degrees plus this one, sin 60 degrees minus cos 30 degrees. Sin 30 degrees value is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 2 minus 60 degrees is root 3 by 2 minus root 3 by 2. Sorry, plus there question. Okay, 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 you will get 1. Why? Because 1 plus 1 will get 2, denominator will get as it is. Yes, if we will get 1 plus 1 by 2, this one, minus root 3 into root 3, 2 root 3 by 2, 2 will be get cancelled. This one, how much you are going to get? 2 by 2 minus root 3. So I get 1 minus root 3. Remaining all the values which I have explained previously, go through all the problems so that all the problems will be covered very easy method. In easy method you can do all the values. Just substituting the value is very important. I can note it down. I'll explain 2-3 problems, then finally we will go for 8.3 so that I can able to end this, try to end this session before 1 a.m. See, mostly try to keep in the mind trigonometric table. Why? Because that is most important. Values we have to write in the rough work perfectly outright. That is the most important thing. అరే సంపేశారు రే ఆదిత్య పేపర్లో పేపర్ రాసిన అంటే ట్రై టు బై హార్ట్ ఇట్ వెరీ సింపుల్. ఇఫ్ యూ రైట్ సైన్ and write the method also. If you write sin reciprocal is sin reverse is cos, tan means sin by cos you will get tan, that's it. Sin reciprocal you will get cosecant, cosecant reverse is secant, tan reverse is cot. You have to read only sin itself properly. If you read sin properly, then you will get all the values in your mind clearly. As I said, 0 1 2 3 4 divided by 4, then you will get all the problems. పడతాయి రే దెబ్బలు నీకు. ఎగ్జామ్ ప్యాడ్ మీద అయితే రాయి, రేపు ఎగ్జామ్ ప్యాడ్ పెట్టని నీకు. Yes, is it done? Okay, we can go for one more problem which is given in the textbook itself. If we are having any question in the denominator, yeah, we'll try to solve the problem which is done. If once is done, please check it, tell me clearly. Okay, as I said, this one is very important. I think you are following the questions clearly. This one, as I said, star mark, how many star marks you can keep, you can keep. So same method like this kind of I will given 2 more questions. You try to solve this method according to this method. Okay, yes. Now we'll do one last problem which is related to 8.1, then we'll go for the all the 8.3 problem. That's it. Now see, 5 cos square 60 degrees plus 4 secant square 30 degrees minus tan square 45 degrees by sin square 30 degrees plus cos square 30 degrees. Now see, here first we'll write aside all the values. First I am writing cos 60 degrees value is how much? 1 by 2. Secant 30 degrees. What is secant 30 degrees value is 2 by root 3. Tan 45 degrees. If you want, you can write in the rough work aside. Next, sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2. Cos 30 degrees is root 3 by 2. I have written all the values. Now perfectly, happily you can substitute in this one. 5. What is the cos value? 60 degrees. 1 by 2 whole square plus 4. Secant 30 degrees. 2 by root 3 whole square. Here square is there, don't forget. Minus tan 45 1 by square. Sin 30 degrees is 1 by 2 whole square. Cos 30 degrees root 3 by 2 whole square. Now write down the squares separately. 5 into 1 square value is 1, 2 2s are 4 over 1 1s are 1, 2 2s are 4 plus keep the 4 as it is, 2 2s are 4. This one square root will be get cancelled. If you want, you can write like this, root 3 whole square minus 1 by 1 square 4. Write down the square separately, root 3 whole square by this 2 square will becomes 4. Square root denominator, square root numerator will be get cancelled. So remaining answer what is there? 5 into 1 by 4 plus 4 into 4 by 3 minus 1 by 1 by 4 plus 3 by 4. First, now see, 5 1s are 5 by 4, 4 4s are 16 by 3 minus 1. Both the denominators are same, 4. Write on 1 plus 3. 1 plus 3 value becomes 4. In the denominator, 4 by 4. 4 will be cancelled. We are going at only 1. Here, 5 by 4 plus 16 by 3 minus 1. You remove about the denominator. Why? Because we got only 1. Now see in the numerator. 5 by 4 plus 60 by 3 minus 1. 4 3s are, we are getting denominator 2. Do this one. Lastly, we will do subtraction. Do cross multiplication here. 5 3s are 15. 16 4s are 64. 4 3s are 12 minus 1. See, we are doing cross multiplication. 5 3s are 15. 16 4s are 64. 4 3s are cross multiplication and denominator multiplication. Minus 1. 15 plus 64 is 79 by 12 minus 1. Now do cross multiplication. 79 minus 12 by 12 is 87 by 12. That's it. This is about the problem. Please write down neatly. Okay, everyone went away. So the last and final exercise I am going to explain, that is 8.3. Now please come back, boys. I'll explain very small problems, no? Then I'll explain all the big problems at a time. First, if it is 5 sin square a plus 5 cos square a, what is the value we are going to get? Very simple. From both the terms, what is the common? 5 is common. Write on sin square a plus cos square a. We having identity. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. That is 5 into 1. Next, if it is 3 cosecant square theta minus 3 cot square theta. From both the values, what is the common? 3 is the common. I am writing 3 outside. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. Cosecant square theta minus cot square theta value is 1 due to third identity. Now we are going to write second identity. 9 secant square a minus 9 tan square a. From both the values you are taking the common 9 secant square a minus tan square a, value is 1. Now see some of the problems I will explain clearly. In terms of secant and tan, if we will give what we have to add. Next, if we are having in terms of other numbers 1 plus tan theta plus secant theta into 1 plus cot theta minus cosecant theta. Yes, whenever we are getting like this kind of problems, please try to elaborate tan, secant, cot, cosecant in terms of sin and cos. Now see, 1 plus tan theta is sin theta by cos theta. Secant is 1 by cos, by because reciprocal. 1 plus, what is the cot theta? Cos theta by sin theta. Cosecant reciprocal is 1 by sin theta. 1 by, one more time I am, tan means sin by cos, secant means 1 by cos, 1 plus cot means cos by sin, cosecant means 1 by sin. Now see, 1 plus, in the denominator we are having cos theta, okay, numerator sin theta plus 1. Now here 1 plus, in the denominator we are having sin theta, numerator we are having cos theta minus 1. Now do cross multiplication here and here. Cos theta into 1, cos theta plus sin theta, here plus 1 by cos theta, here also same, sin theta plus cos theta minus 1 by sin theta. For this one we are writing cos theta minus 1 as theta. 1 we are multiplying with sin theta. Here sin theta plus 1 we are. Now you can observe this one is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. You know a plus b into a minus b very well, that is a square minus b square, that is cos theta plus sin theta whole square minus 1 whole square. Cos theta into sin theta cos theta. This one we are in the form of a plus b whole square. What you will write? A square plus b square plus 2ab minus, in place of 1 square we can write it as 1 by sin theta into cos theta. Here I forgot to write cos theta, please write down. Now see, in place of 1 we are writing the identity. In place of 1 here we are writing identity. What is that? Cos square theta plus sin square theta plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus sin square theta plus cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta. See, this is plus cos square theta minus sin square theta. This is minus sin square theta. Both will be get cancelled. The remaining is 2 sin theta cos theta by sin theta cos theta. Both will be get cancelled. We are going to get the answer. Sir, in the place of 2, no, correct one. If you multiply, see, plus into minus, minus, plus into minus, minus, both will be get cancelled. No need to worry about it. Yes, please write it down. Now we are going to final one 8.3 big problems. There are some problems are there, I'll explain. Yes. Now see, the first we are going to explain sin a plus cosecant a whole square plus cos a plus secant a whole square. We have to get the answer 7 plus tan square a plus cot square a. We have to get this value. Now see, we have to take LHS and we have to get the answer RHS. That's it. You have to take LHS. Sorry doubt. Mall doubt వచ్చింది నాకు. Comment in the comment box. I will explain. See, now listen this one. I'll explain here. Please write down aside. I'll explain afterwards. Now see, sine, this is in the form of a plus b whole square, a plus b whole square. This one also in the form of a plus b whole square. I am taking only LHS. What is that? Sine a plus cosecant a whole square plus cos a plus secant a whole square. This is a form of a plus b whole square. We know a plus b whole square formula. Sine square a plus cosecant square a plus 2 sine a into cosecant a square plus b square plus 2ab. Here also same. Cos square a plus secant square a plus 2 into cos a into secant a square plus b square plus 2ab. Now see, first we are writing sine square a cos square a at one side. That means sine square a plus cos square a plus cosecant square and secant square we are writing at one side. Cosecant square a plus secant square a plus these two we are writing at the corners. That is 2 sine a into cosecant a plus 2 cos a into secant a. There is no place, that's why I am writing down. Please write down clearly. Now see, sine square a plus cos square a. That means we have to write identity. Sine square a plus cos square a value is 1. In place of these two I am writing 1. 1 plus cosecant square a plus secant square a plus 2 into sin a into, in place of cosecant write down reciprocal, 1 by sin a plus 2 into cos a, in place of reciprocal of secant a write down 1 by cos. I'll write down here reciprocals. Cosec theta is equal to 1 by sin theta. In place of theta you can write a secant a only write. A or theta both are same only. Secant a is equal to 1 by cos. Now see, this one is in the denominator, this one in the numerator. Numerator will be get cancelled. Remaining is 1 plus cosecant square a plus secant square a plus remaining here 2 into 1, here 2 into 1, that is only remain. Here 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2. Now see, this is the most important steps. 1 plus cosecant square a plus secant square a plus 2 plus 2 1 ja 2, 2 plus 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 1 5, 5 plus cosecant square a plus secant square a. Here we are using second identity and third identity. What is that? What is second identity? Secant square a minus tan square a is equal to 1. Take minus tan that side. Secant square a means 1 plus tan square a. So in terms of secant square a we can write 1 plus tan square a. And one more, cosecant square a minus cot square a is equal to 1. Minus you take right hand side. Cosecant square a is equal to 1 plus cot square a. So in place of cosecant square you can write these two. These two we are writing here. See, 5 plus, in place of cosecant square we are writing 1 plus cot square a plus, in place of secant square a we are writing 1 plus tan square, 1 plus tan square a. 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 1 7, 7 plus write down tan square first, tan square a plus cot square a. That's it. This is the entire problem. So I'm going to explain 2 more problems. Problems exactly, then I'll try to close it. 4 problems are left. That 4 problems I am going to explain. After that, then I'm closing this session. Which 3 lines you want to me to explain? Are you able to see the video clearly, Aditya? ఓకే అంతే కనిపిస్తలేదు నాకు నిమిషం అటు మళ్ళీ అటు మొత్తం ఇటు పోతుంది ఇటు మొత్తం అటు పోతుంది యా ఇట్స్ పర్ఫెక్ట్ నౌ ఎస్ just post this link in your video so that they can able to do practice in the morning session after waking up. Okay, down 7th line 5 6 7 ide here 2 plus 2 4 4 plus 1 5. In place of cos square we are writing 1 plus cot square. In place of secant square we are writing 1 plus in the connection cosecant square a is equal to 1 plus cot square a. That's it. This step here, this one. Okay, see, ఈ సైన్ స్క్వేర్ ఈ కాస్ స్క్వేర్ ఒక దగ్గర రాస్తాం ఎందుకంటే మనకు ఐడెంటిటీ వస్తుంది సైన్ స్క్వేర్ టీటా ప్లస్ కాస్ స్క్వేర్ టీటా 1. దెన్ కొసికెంట్ స్క్వేర్ సీకెంట్ స్క్వేర్ వీఆర్ రైటింగ్ వన్ సైడ్. దిస్ 2 sin a cosecant a cos a secant a we are writing corner. Why? Because cosecant reciprocal is 1 by sin. It is written here, see, secant reciprocal is 1 by cos. Numerator denominator will be get cancelled ante. 2 plus 2 4 4 plus 1 5 ante. అదే రాకేదే సి ఇది ఏ ప్లస్ బి హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఎక్స్పెండ్ చేస్తున్నాం ఏ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బి స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2ab ఈడ ఒకటి ఏ ప్లస్ బి హోల్ స్క్వేర్ ఏ స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ బి స్క్వేర్ ప్లస్ 2ab. ఫస్ట్ సైన్ కాస్ దగ్గర ఎందుకు రాస్తున్నామంటే మనకు ఐడెంటిటీ తెలుసు కాబట్టి ఈ బాక్స్లో పెట్టిన అన్ని ఐడెంటిటీస్ నాన్న. దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ ఐడెంటిటీస్, దీస్ ఆర్ ఫార్ములా రిలేటెడ్ బాక్సెస్. కీప్ ఇన్ ద మైండ్. Last 4 problems. Now when we come back to the first problem, now see, listen here. If s cos 60 degrees plus y cos 0 degrees plus sin 30 degrees minus cot 45 degrees value 5 అయితే x plus 2y value ఎంత అవుతుంది? That is the question clearly given. Now we have to do the follow. x into cos 60 degrees value ఏమో 1 by 2 plus y into cos 0 degrees value 1 sin 30 degrees value 1 by 2 cot 45 degrees value ఏమో 1 is equal to 5. x into 1 x by 2 plus y plus 1 by 2 minus 1 is equal to 5. minus 1 అక్కడ తీసుకపోతే ప్లస్ అవుతుంది. x by 2 plus y plus 1 by 2 is equal to 5 plus 1 in the 6. Now see this side, in the denominator there is no value 2. For y there is no value, 2 into y becomes 2y, that's it. x plus 2y plus y. Why? Because y we are writing 1 and x as it is, means for both the values we are having the denominator 2 is equal to in the 6. Now see, x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to, do cross multiplication, 2 into 6, 2 into 6, x plus 2y plus 1 is equal to 12 plus 1 అటు పోతే minus x plus 2y is equal to 12 minus 1, x plus 2y is equal to 11. z కాదు బేటా, ఇది 2. I think you got this problem now. That's it. Remaining all you can do the problems very easy and easy method. I'm telling you, very easy method, all you can do the problems. Just you have to go through all the identities. That's it. Okay, I think done this problem. See, cos 60 degrees value is 1 by 2, cos 0 degrees value is 1, sin 30 1 by 2 minus 1. Minus 1 we are taking to right hand side, become plus 1, x by 2 plus y plus 1 by 2. For y there is no denominator, that's why we are doing cross multiplication. After that, for all the values we are getting the denominator 2. And inform to your friends also. Do subscribe to our channel compulsory and press the bell icon, so that all my videos, when I am getting in the live session, you will get all the videos compulsory. Yes, now see, for example, now one more example I'll explain. If 7 plus 4 cos theta value కానీ 9 అయిందనుకో, sin theta value ఏమవుతుంది సార్? ఇదేం క్వశ్చన్, వాట్ కైండ్? వెరీ ఈజీ మెథడ్ దిస్. సి, plus 7 you take to right hand side, 4 cos theta is equal to 9 minus 7. 9 minus 7 how much? Plus 7 we are taking to right hand side, becomes minus. That means see, plus 7 we are taking right hand side, 4 cos theta value becomes how much? 2. So cos theta is equal to, bring 4 to denominator, becomes 2 by 4, 2 1s are 2 2s are. Cos theta value is how much? 1 by 2. Then sir, 1 by 2, can we write sin theta directly? Of course you can write sin theta directly without doing right angle triangle also. How? See, cos theta is equal to 1 by 2 when you will get in cos theta, cos 60 degrees. Cos 60 degrees value we are getting 1 by 2, cos will be get cancelled, theta you are getting 60 degrees. Now I am going to find out sin theta. What is the theta value? 60 degrees. Sin 60 degrees value we know already, root 3 by 2. Sin adute cos చేయాలి, cos adute sin చేయాలి. Here most important, if we will get here sin, it is sin వస్తే sin theta is equal to 1 by 2, sin theta equal to sin 30 degrees. When we are getting 1 by 2 in sin, when we are getting 1 by 2 value in cos, over all this problem, this line is very important. Okay, last 2 problems are there. Let me explain the 2 problems so that I'll finish this one. So if you have any doubts, just type in the comment box. That's it. And inform your friends, those who are near to your houses also, so that they can also do this more problems regarding to this one. Okay, I'm turning page. Okay, now see, I'll explain, if it's possible I'll explain 1 or 2 problems, or if possible I'll explain more problems. Now see, I think everyone can able to see it now. Sin a cos a by sin a minus cos a plus sin a minus cos a by sin a plus cos a. The first thing we have to remember in this one is, there is no need to change anything. Why? Because all the values given in sin and cos. Now see, As we know, as I'll explain, the easy method to do like this kind of fractions is doing cross multiplication and denominator. See, I'm doing this one cross multiplication, both are see, sin a plus sin a plus a, sin a plus cos a, sin a plus cos a, ఎన్ని ఉన్నాయి, ఈడొకటి మొత్తం కలిపితే 2. సో హౌ విల్ రైట్ sin a plus cos a whole square, correct? Yeah, sin a plus cos a. Now these two will do cross multiplication, sin a minus cos a, sin a minus plus sin a minus cos a whole square. First we are doing cross multiplication sin a plus cos a, again we are doing cross multiplication sin a minus cos a. So denominator sin a minus cos a, sin a plus cos a. Science and Maths class 10. So denominator multiplication, here what we have to remember, cross multiplication and denominator multiplication, denominator multiplication, don't forget this one. For understanding purpose I am writing, no need of this one, okay? Please concentrate here. Sin a minus cos a into cos a, sin a plus cos a. Numerator loనేమో a plus b whole square, ida a minus b whole square, ida a plus b into a minus b. We are having 3 algebraic identities. మనకు తెలిసిన ఐడెంటిటీ తెలుసు కదా, a plus b whole square, what is that, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Second one is a minus b whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Third identity a plus b into a minus b or a minus b into a plus b, రెండుకి సేమ్ ఫార్ములా, దట్ ఈస్ a square minus b square. ఎట్లా చేసినా గదే ఫార్ములాస్ చేంజ్. ఫస్ట్ a plus b whole square పైన కన్వర్ట్ చేస్తాం, కొద్ది కింద రాస్తున్నాను, ఐఎమ్ రైటింగ్ డౌన్, ప్లస్ ఈస్ నాట్ సఫిషియంట్ హియర్. sin square a plus cos square a plus 2 sin a cos a square plus b square plus 2ab plus ఇది a minus b whole square, sin square a plus cos square a minus 2 sin a cos a by ఇది a minus b into a plus b. Directly you can write a square minus b square. A value ఏమో sin, b value ఏమో cos. That means sin square a minus cos square a. When you see this one, you can get some idea of this problem. Sin square theta plus cos square theta, here also sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. Before doing this one, I am cancelling this. This is plus sin plus 2 sin a cos a. This is minus 2 sin a cos a, will be cancelled. Now see, the remaining is sin square a plus cos square a plus sin square a plus cos square a by sin square a minus cos square a. We are having, what is that, sin square a, sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. Here theta means a. Sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. Here sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1 by sin square a minus cos square a. Now here see, we know the identity is sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. If we will get cubes, cube also we have to, cube means we have to expand in the form of a plus b whole cube, a plus b whole cube, a minus b whole cube. That one, take this one to take sin square to right hand side, cos square theta is equal to 1 minus sin square. Lastly I will explain that cube problem also. See, in place of cos square a, see here as I said theta value is, in place of cos I am substituting this value. What is that, 1 plus 1 becomes 2 by sin square a minus of 1 minus sin square a. In place of cos square we are substituting 1 minus sin square a, 2 by sin square a plus into minus, minus 1 minus into minus plus sin square a is equal to 2 by how many sin square a plus sin square a? We are having 2 sin squares a. 2 sin square a minus 1. That is the answer. See, in place of here we are using this formula. అట్లా అని చెప్పి arrow mark పెట్టకండి. For understanding purpose I kept the arrow mark. When it comes to cube there means you have to find out the value of cube. And last 2 more, it's ending up to 1. Now I'll explain last one more problem. Please write it down neatly, those who are writing. If you wake up at 5 o'clock only, those who are listening class, what will be the Q formula? Q formula అన్న రాస్తాను. ఇది అయిపోయిందా? ఓకే, నేను రైట్ ద Q formulas. ఈ బుక్లో కాదు, ఏదైనా ఎరా బుక్లో రాసి చూపిస్తాను ఇక్కడ. సి ఐమ్ రైటింగ్ హియర్ Q formulas. ఇక్కడ రైట్. సి ఐమ్ రైటింగ్ హియర్ Q formulas. A plus B whole cube is A cube plus B cube plus 3ab into a plus b. A minus b whole cube. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab into a minus b. 2 more are there. A cube plus b cube formula is a plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. A cube minus b cube formula is a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. ఇవ్వట్ క్లియర్గా రాసుకో. ఇంతకంటే జూమ్లో పెట్టానని ఇవ్వట్. అర్థమైందా? You can stop and you can write the video. Stop the video and write down. Okay, next last two more problems. Tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 plus tan theta. How we are going to get the answer for this problem? Now see. So when you are getting tan, secant, cosecant, we have to use the formula. What is that? Tan you have to convert into the form of C. Tan theta we have to convert into the form of sin theta by cos theta. I am writing once again also I am writing. In place of cot theta we have to replace cos theta by sin theta. If you are getting cosecant, we have to replace as 1 by sin theta. In place of secant theta we have to replace by 1 by cos theta. If you are getting the values directly sin by cos, no need to do anything. If you are getting other options, that now see sin theta, see clearly. Sin theta means tan theta means sin theta by cos theta by 1 minus c. Cot theta means cos theta by sin theta, plus here also same cot theta means cos theta by sin theta by 1 plus sin theta by cos theta. See, numerator we are keeping as it is, denominator we are doing cross multiplication, 1 into sin theta, 1 into cos theta, cos theta. See, sin theta by cos theta, 1 sin theta minus cos theta by sin theta. Here cos theta by sin theta by here 1 into cos theta cos theta plus sin theta by cos theta. Now these values write down reciprocal. These values we have to write reciprocal. What will get? Sin theta by cos theta into sin theta into sin theta minus cos theta. Denominator we are taking reciprocal plus this one, cos theta by sin theta into cos theta by cos theta plus sin theta. Now understand how to write. Now sin theta into sin theta will become sin square theta by 2 multiplication this one, cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos into cos becomes cos square theta by, yes, this one multiply sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta. I think now everyone understand right up to here. Yes. Wait a minute. Let me see the question once again. Yeah, sorry. This is minus. It's not plus. Please change everyone. This is not plus. This is minus also. This is also minus only. Cos theta minus sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta. Cos theta minus sin theta. This is not plus. Please change it the question. This is not plus. This is minus. This is not plus. This is minus. Okay. Now see. This is sin theta minus cos theta. This is cos theta minus sin theta. So if you do reciprocal, see, if we change the values, so if I change the value cos theta minus sin theta, if I change the value cos theta minus sin theta, you will get minus of sin theta minus cos theta. We are changing the value. See, sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta plus cos square theta by, write on, sin theta into, here we are writing minus, that minus I am writing outside, minus sin theta minus cos theta. Now see, here you can see the denominators. Here cos is there, sin theta minus cos theta. So if I write in the denominator, see carefully, both we are having minus. That minus we are taking to numerator. This one, what it become? I am writing minus multiplying here. What is become? Sin square theta by cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta minus cos square theta by, this one not required line, sin theta into cos theta minus, sorry, sin theta minus cos theta, as it is, sin theta minus cos theta. Now see here, sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus that are common, but cos theta, sin theta are not common. This cos theta multiplied to cos square theta, this sin theta multiplied to sin square theta. That means in denominator we will get sin theta into cos theta. This is sin theta minus cos theta. Sin theta into cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta. Sin square into sin theta become sin cube theta. cos square theta into cos theta will become cos cube theta. Just now I have shown one formula, that is, what is that formula we are getting? Yes, we are getting in the form of we are having this one in the form of a cube minus b cube. So I'll write just now. What is the formula? Numerator we are having a cube minus b cube. Formula is a minus b a square plus ab plus b square, that is sin cube minus cos cube. That means sin theta minus cos theta into sin square theta plus sin theta into cos theta plus cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta into sin theta minus cos theta. As we wrote this one, see, this we are expanding in the form of a cube minus b cube, that is no a cube minus b cube, it's not a minus, see, a minus b into a square. Here a value is sin theta, b value is cos theta, that's it. Now see, sin theta minus cos theta, sin theta minus cos theta will be get cancelled. Remaining is sin square theta plus sin theta into cos theta plus cos square theta by sin theta into cos theta. Sin square theta, write down sin square theta plus cos square theta together. Sin square theta plus cos square theta plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta into cos theta. As we know, sin square theta plus cos square theta value is 1. In place of these two, I am substituting 1 plus sin theta into cos theta by sin theta into cos theta. Now write down sin theta by cos theta denominator separately. What will get? 1 by sin theta into cos theta plus sin theta into cos theta by sin theta into cos theta. Write down C, plus there we are writing denominator separately. 1 by sin theta cos theta plus sin theta cos theta by sin theta. Both will be get cancelled. We are going to get the answer 1. This one again I am writing separately. What is that? 1 by sin theta into 1 by cos theta plus 1. 1 by sin theta means cosecant theta. Why? Because reciprocal. 1 by cos reciprocal is secant theta plus 1. If you write in the order, 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. So what you are going to get the answer? Tan theta by 1 minus cot theta plus cot theta by 1 minus tan theta is equal to 1 plus secant theta into cosecant theta. That's the answer. ఇంకేం చేస్తాం, టైం 1:07 అయింది, మరి చూసుకోవాలి కదా, తప్పది. Sir, how to convert sine in the form of cos, tan, secant and cosecant? That we can do it later. Okay. So very simple. As I said, whenever you are getting the values tan theta, cot theta, cosecant theta and secant theta, whenever you will get the question, prove that we have to convert all these values in the form of sine cos, cos sine, cosecant as 1 by cos, secant as 1 by cos. So I am keeping this one for 2 more minutes. That's it. We are going to pack it now. If anything is there, we'll discuss in one more class. In that one also I'll explain a little bit more how to convert the sine in the form of cos, tan in terms of secant, secant in terms of tan, cosecant in terms of cot, in terms of secant. That's it. So this is all for the today's class. This is a, please note on that it is not plus tan theta, this is minus tan theta. Please change here. And this is also sin theta. So where the step is going to change me from here onwards, here after this step, this cos theta minus sin theta can be converted as minus of sin. This minus we are writing front, that's it. Cos theta minus sin theta, if you interchange you will get minus of sin theta minus cos. This minus we are multiplying upside, plus into minus, minus. So here already sin there, here cos there, this sin multiplied to this sin, this cos multiplied to this cos. Got it? Please write down clearly. Don't get confused anyway. This is all minus only. Minus, minus, here also minus, here also, from here I wrote minus. This is sin theta. Yes. And this numerator we are converting in the form of a cube minus b cube. Yes, if you wrote everything it's fine. So if it is not done, so tomorrow I'll bring this book also, no need to worry about it. This one tomorrow morning I'll bring to school also. Okay, so that you can able to see the problems clearly. Completed means completed. Just to share to your friends in your group compulsory, don't forget which are the numbers are there. Immediately now share this link to them, so that they can able to morning after waking up they can able to close take the video and they may able to do practice for themselves. Already we got totally 2 hours 10 minutes. This is the highest record of my live session. I have never done 2.5 hours. It's already 1:15. So this is the end of the session. Okay, thank you boys for supporting. Aditya, thank you beta. Okay, that's it. Thank you.